In the heart of London, set away behind red brick walls, lies a secret oasis where nature flourishes and time slows down. Welcome to Chelsea Physic Garden, London's oldest botanic garden. With a living collection of over 4,500 different types of plants, each corner tells a different story. You'll see plants here that can't be grown anywhere else in the city. Herbs, vibrant flowers, and rare species thrive in its unique microclimate, which has been created due to its sheltered location, light soil, and proximity to the River Thames. Chelsea Physic Garden is a fascinating part of the city's history. Founded in 1673 by the Worshipful Society of Apothecaries of London, it was a place where apprentices could learn about the healing power of plants. This tradition has continued here for over 300 years. Now, as an educational charity, our central mission is to demonstrate the medicinal, economic, cultural, and environmental importance of plants to the survival and well-being of humankind. And we want you to be a part of our journey. We welcome everyone and are open to visitors 6 days a week. We also host fantastic events and activities throughout the year. Indulge your creative side. Find serenity and restore well-being. Relax to some live music. Or celebrate the seasons at any of our festive events. And as for the garden, you can explore 4 acres of incredible healing plants from around the world, many of which are housed in our unique glasshouse collections. Whether you're a curious explorer, a passionate gardener, or simply seeking a moment of inner calm, Chelsea Physic Garden has something for everyone. To find out more about the garden and our events, visit chelseaphysicgarden.co.uk.